Here I'm going to make two files. First, I'm making one simple circle of 3 feet, creating a simple door here, adding some lines, and trim it. We'll save this file with the name Xref and save, and close this file. Now another file, I'm going to make another door with 3 feet and now in another direction with little changes, offset of 1 inches, and will trim. Now I will convert this file into block. With a B enter, we'll define the name door, pick point, select the object, enter, and do OK. Now I will insert the block, I enter, and we'll see this block is here. Now I'll do the external reference with this block. We'll go to block and we'll take convert block to Xref. We'll pick that block and we'll select the file. With the help of we have to do Xref and open. Now I'll ask you purge unreferenced item when finished. You want to say yes if you want to delete all that unused item. If you don't want to delete this block from the file, you say no. So I want to retain this file here, so I'll say no, enter. So the file will be attached here as external reference. Now my block will also be available here, so I can insert and use it again. Now if I go to this block reference file, I'll open that, Xref, and open. Now if I'm making any changes into this file, that will be get updated into my drawing. If I make something here and save it and go back to the drawing file, and we will see here a message is loaded. External reference has changed. We click on reload Xref. You see that Xref file will be get updated. This is how we can use this option